So today I'm going to make a vid on how to replace a wheel bearing. This should apply to like 92 through 2000 Civics. But the reason I replaced it is because it has some play that you can actually see. There we go. It's hard to see, but it does wiggle back and forth. And it's supposed to be nice and tight, which it's not. So I'm going to go ahead and start replacing this bearing. What I'm assuming is going to happen is I'm going to go ahead and push the hub through, and the snap ring is going to be on the face of it. So basically, once the bearing is pressed in and bottomed out on the knuckle, the snap ring should go on the face, which is on this side, just to hold the bearing in place. So I'm going to go ahead and push the hub through and see if that snap ring is hiding behind the hub. Now for the hub, I think it's easy enough just to hammer it through. So I'm just going to use an old socket and a decent sized hammer, punch it through, get the snap ring, and press the bearing out. Here's the face of the bearing. We're going to use some snap ring pliers. Got it. So now that I have the snap ring out, I can flip it over and push the bearing out of the knuckle and just prep it for the new one. I'm going to go ahead and remove the dust shield just to give myself more room to work. Alright, now it's ready for the press. So here we are, got the knuckle set up. I'm just going to use, where's it at? No, that's not the one. Yeah, this one fits pretty good. Fits just inside the knuckle but still holds the bearing. Shove this in here and just punch it through. So here's the box of new parts. New snap ring, new CV axle nut, new wheel bearing, and of course a new hub. Pretty convenient that everything I need comes in one box. It's like a wheel bearing kit. I'll put a link in the description. It was pretty cheap. I believe it was like 40 bucks. So what I'm doing now is pressing in the new bearing. Since this one doesn't have ABS, it doesn't really matter which way it goes. But if it does, you want to stick the magnetic side facing towards the wheel speed sensor. But this one, I stuck it the right way anyway, but it doesn't matter. But right now I'm just yeah, pumping it in there, slow but steady. Alright, it is possible to go too far. If you go too far and force it, you can actually crack the bottom lip. So as soon as it meets resistance, you're good to go. And pretty much as long as the snap ring fits right here, you know you're good. So yeah, it's ready for the snap ring. Kind of tricky. I just got these, by the way. I got them on Amazon. I ordered these with this wheel bearing kit because I knew I was going to need it. There it goes. Easy enough. Alright, so next up I'm just going to go ahead and press the hub in there. Well, there we go, guys. Fresh wheel bearing in the 2000 Honda Civic EX. Got the snap ring in there. Don't forget to install the dust shield before you reinstall the hub, because it goes between the hub and the bearing, or the hub and the knuckle, I'm sorry. Yeah, here we go. I'll link all this in the description, especially this snap ring plier tool set. These really came in handy. They seem to be really good quality. I believe they're like 25 bucks and I got a set of them. Work Pro and it just comes with different styles. Some you gotta expand, some you gotta shrink. I believe they're called like internal and external snap rings. It's got the 90-degree ones, the straight, and of course the one that I used for this job here. Yeah, I'll put a link in this description, but if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. In my next one, I'm going to be doing the lower ball joint. The lower ball joint is also in really bad shape. As you can see, it goes in and out, and is very, very loose. So that's going to be my next video. Thanks for watching.